Welcome back. In this video, we are showing you the way we have made flashcards more effective and what we have done differently with our intelligent flashcards.
Let's navigate to the flashcards page. When used properly, flashcards tap into the two most effective learning methods we have, active recall and spaced repetition. With active recall, you don't just stare at the information, you force your brain to retrieve it. When you look at the front of a card and answer it in your head before flipping it, you're not just recognizing the answer, you're strengthening the neural pathways that store that knowledge. That beats rereading a textbook every time. Then there's spaced repetition. Our system tracks how well you know each card and lets you move up a tier of understanding at the optimal time, just as you're about to forget it. Hard cards are required to be done sooner, easy cards are pushed further into the future.
That timing is where the biggest learning gains happen. It makes a difference between guessing in the exam and answering with confidence. Let's see this in action. You can either pick topic-based study or work from your own custom decks, but we'll show you how to build those in a minute.
Notice the spec points filter. Our cards aren't generic. You can filter by the exact specification points from your exam board. That means you're revising precisely what can show up in your paper, not random trivia.
I'll start by filtering for 1.1 Systems Architecture. Apply filter. Here's the front of the card. I'll read the question, think of an answer before I click to reveal the answer. Now I can check how close I was to the answer. Then, at the bottom, I can rate how hard I felt for this card. Easy, medium, or hard.
This is where our spaced repetition kicks in. Every card sits in one of 5 tiers: introduced, familiar, comfortable, established, or mastered. As you get a card consistently right, you move up tiers, and the system automatically spaces it further apart. If you struggle with a card and tap medium or hard, it drops to a lower tier and comes back much sooner. If you tap easy, it can move up a tier.
That means I'm always spending more time on the cards that I don't know yet, instead of wasting my time rereading things that I've already mastered.
Now, what if you find a card that's absolutely important, something you want to see on exam morning?
Easy. I'll just click on the Add to My Deck button. I can either select an existing deck, or I can create a new deck. Let's create a new deck. We'll call this Exam Morning Review. I'll skip the description for now. Let's pick a star symbol and an orange background. Create deck. And there it is. And now we go to the My Deck mode and choose to study the deck that we just made. You can see all the decks. And now you can practice with the cards you just added to your deck.
To summarize, by combining active recall with spaced repetition and aligning every card to your exam specification, we're not just helping you feel productive, we're making sure that what you revise actually stays in your long-term memory for the exam.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.